Good evening, I'm Nini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, AMD launches cutting-edge Ryzen 9000 series processor in India. Google Play Store now allows the downloading multiple apps at same time. Digisol successfully concluded a Digitech partner engagement program in Beth, India and Chandigarh. Fujifilm India launches the Fujifilm X T50 mirrorless digital cameras, Optima to displays a 4K high brightness as Infocom India 2024. Apple M4 Mac Mini to drop USB-A connectivity, getting 5 USB-C ports and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of SSD, and the answer is a solid state drive. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is cloud computing primarily used for? Think you know the answer. We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin, so stay tuned if you got it right. AMD has launched its Ryzen 9000 series desktop processor in India, showcasing them at an event in Delhi. These processors are built on the latest Zen 5 architecture, offering a significant performance leap over previous generations. The Ryzen 9000 series delivers an average of 16% better IPC performance compared to the Zen 4 architecture. The flagship Ryzen is 9950X is touted as the fastest consumer desktop processor in the world. The series is designed for gamers, content creators and prosumers, promising a cutting-edge performance. Games can expect smooth gameplay and high frame rates across a wide range of titles. Second, Google Play Store now allows users to download and update multiple apps simultaneously. This feature being rolled out globally and will be available to all users in the coming week. Previously, the Play Store's handled app downloads one by one, causing delays. Simultaneous downloads will significantly speed up the installation and update processes, especially for multiple apps. The feature supports up to 3 simultaneous downloads. The other is pending state. The feature was first spotted in April but was only briefly available for new app installation. Third, Digisol Systems Limited successfully conducted the Digitech SI Partner Engagement Program in Beth, India and Chandigarh. The event aimed at strengthening the relationship with the system integrated partners while showcasing a Digisol latest innovation. Key stakeholders from the IT networking community participated, providing a platform for meaningful discussions and collaboration. Presentation focused on the latest made in India networking products and technologies. Interactive sessions addressed the evolving networking landscape and emphasized Indian certification for digital transformation. Product demonstration highlighted a Digisol range of products, showcasing enhanced performance and reliability. Fourth, Fujifilm India has launched the Fujifilm X T50 mirrorless digital camera priced at Rs 1,49,999. The X T50 is compact and lightweight, weighing approximately 438 grams. It features a 40.2 megapixel trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and X processor 5 for high-speed image processing. The camera includes a 5-axis up to 7.0 stop in body image stabilization, ensuring high-quality images. A new film simulation dial it introduced allowed users to easily switch between various color tones. The X-T50 is designed for both high performance and mobility, making it ideal for versatile still photography. Optima will showcase its 4K high brightness projectors including a ZU1 900, ZK8 and 10TST and ZU9 20TST at Infocom India 2024 in Mumbai. The big projectors. This event will feature an interactive augmented reality display on an alien planet using the projectors. Visitors can experience an immersive installation stepping out to space and astronauts on alien planet. Infocom India 2024. It's scheduled from 3rd to 5th September at GeoWorld Convention Center. Mumbai, and a key event in a Pro AV and system integration technology sector. Optima will also display the ultra-short throw projector along with a ZK-ED10T and interactive flat panel FEP Creative Touch 5 series. Socomac India's LBI has received NABL accreditation as per the ISO IEC standard. The accreditation allows the laboratory reports and certification to display the ILACMRA mark. Significantly, a global recognition. The NABL accredited lab follows a transparent protocols, rigid quality control and safety measures throughout its testing and calibration process. Regular calibration and maintenance ensure the precision and reliability of the lab equipment, creating a safe environment for staff and protecting customer products. The accreditation enhances Socomac ability to deliver globally recognized testing results benefiting industries like data center, healthcare, renewable energy, infrastructure and commercial building. Apple is planning a redesign of the Mac Mini in 2024, making it more compact. The new Mac Mini might drop USB-A ports entirely. Featuring only USB-C ports, the M4 powered Mac Mini is expected to have 5 USB-C ports, 3 at the back and 2 at the front. The device will likely retain the Ethernet port, HDMI connector and headphone jack from its predecessor. Apple may bring similar USB-A removal at the Mac Pro and Mac Studio models with M4 chip. Apple suppliers in China are expected to start shipping the new Mac Mini models in early September. So don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.